Many times we see students sitting quietly in English class, just listening but not speaking. The result? They lose confidence and learning becomes boring. In this video, we will know how to make English classes more engaging for students. Number 1. Make the class interactive. Not just textbooks, use small speaking activities so that everyone participates. Number 2. Give practical examples. Let students learn through real-life situations like going to a shop or talking to a friend. Number 3. Use technology to extend learning beyond the classroom. With Winnow English app, you can easily run games, quizzes, and speaking practice in class. And students can also practice anytime, anywhere from home, 24 hours a day. Number 4. Track each student's progress. Our class maintenance system shows you who is doing well and who needs more improvement. Number 5. Keep learning fun. The more fun students have, the faster they learn. And Winnow English creates that joyful learning environment. As a teacher, your goal is not just to teach, but to inspire. With Winnow English, you can make your English classes more engaging, interactive, and effective.